have a place to go in the event of a natural disaster, you can go to a shelter. But what are the shelters? Yes, this square has emergency shelter signs. No, this park doesn't have emergency shelter signs. The stadium has emergency shelter signs. Great! Wow, this park has emergency shelter signs. Very nice. Wow, you have found them all. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency supplies. Where should I put these? No, that's not the right place. Canned food. Cookie. No, you should. No, you should. No, that's not cookie. Canned food. No, medicine. Canned food. Cookies. Cookies. No, that's not the right. No. No, you. No, that's not cookie. No, that's cookies. No, flashlight. No, you cookies. No, no, you should flash cookies. Flashlight. No. Where should I put these? No, that's not the right. No. No, you flash quilt. No, that's not. No, that's not the right. You shouldn't put it canned food. No, that's not. No, that's not. You shouldn't. No, flash. No. Medicine. No, quilt. Flashlight. Water. Cookies. Cookies. Toothpaste. Quill. No. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency toilet. The manhole is locked. You should loosen the screws. 1, 2, 3. Wow, they are all loosened. Now we can open the manhole. Left, right, Exactly. And choose your favorite case. Blue, red, yellow. Wow, you have chosen a pretty one. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency shelter. To pitch our tent, we need to set up poles. Where should I put this pole? One. Two. 3. Are up. Cover them with the tent. Like this. Emergency! The tent has blown down in the wind. To secure the tent, we need to fasten the ropes to the earth. Hammer the nail and then tie the rope to 1, 2, 3, 4. One side is fixed. Now let's do the next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, the tent is set up. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency water supply. Sink. Sink. Water wagon. Pump wells. Pump wells. Pump wells. Pump wells. Pump wells. Well. Let's build an emergency shelter. Bed. X-ray scanner. First aid kit. First aid kit. Defibrillator. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. IV pole. IV pole. Let's build an emergency